Hello and welcome to Feature Friday with the Right Choice Group at Keller Williams Realty. I'm Barbie Johnson and today we are featuring Leaping Leopard Antiques located off of 4th Street in Lafayette, Indiana. Leaping Leopard is an independently owned and operated business right here in Lafayette, Indiana. They offer a wide variety of antiques, vintage items, and repurposed items you'll surely love. They have recently expanded their business and now have over 13,000 square feet of opportunity to find that one item you've been searching for. This is a great place to shop if you're looking for a unique or one-of-a-kind piece for your home or business. To check out what they have available, stop into their store located at 2145 South 4th Street or visit their Facebook page or website at leapingleopardllc.com. They are open Sunday to Thursday, 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share this post brought to you by the Right Choice Group at Keller Williams Realty.